標題：摔角嘅神同走開嘅神文字。羅馬書9:13我愛雅各，但我憎恨以撒。親愛嘅，我哋喺呢度唔係處理緊感情，我哋唔係處理緊充斥住我哋現代世界嘅愛同憎恨嘅淺定義，我哋係處理緊從一開始就宣告末日嘅神。當經文話我愛雅各，但我憎恨以撒嗰陣，佢唔係講緊神心目中嘅情緒波動，而係講緊一個神聖嘅選擇，而唔係講緊邊個更好。雅各係一個欺騙者，一個搶腳跟嘅人，一個操縱者，而唔係因為上帝嘅選擇。而喺你話我唔信有個會叫人落地獄嘅神之前，你要明白呢一點。唔係因為神預知一個事件會發生，而係因為一個事件將會發生，所以神係喺時間同空間之外嘅，佢哋係佢嘅僕人，因為佢哋過去同未來都係存在嘅。如果我係一個國王，而我有10個叛徒帶嚟我面前，而我選擇憐憫佢哋5個，但係拒絕憐憫另外5個，我冇做錯任何嘢，我俾咗5個佢哋唔應得嘅嘢，而我俾咗另外5個佢哋應得嘅嘢。但係嗰種愛係點樣嘅？雅各嘅生活係一個神聖嘅干預生活。The God of love came down and wrestled him. He wounded him. He touched his hip and dislocated it. And Jacob walked with a limp for the rest of his life, but that limp was love. That wound was mercy, that wrestling was grace, because God chastens those he loves. Whom the Lord loves, he disciplines. That is the love of God, not that he leaves you alone in sin. But that he fights you, confronts you, arrests you,and does not let you 去到佢改咗你個名為止。雅各被打破，但係佢受到祝福，但係佢被改名，佢由雅各去到以色列，由騙子變成王子。但係以掃